what? When we talk about enterprise servers or enterprise level data center architecture, there are three major pillars that power everything. The first one is compute, the second one network, while the last one and the most important one is storage. Now we already know enterprise servers are designed for heavy workloads, whether it is virtualization, databases, clustering, or large scale applications. Standard consumer hardware simply not enough. That is why every major area in a server machine uses specialized hardware. For example, on the networking side, we use dedicated network adapters, or you can say local area network cards, to deliver better throughput, lower latency, advanced offloading, and redundancy features. Because network traffic in enterprise environment is serious business. But what about storage? This is where your operating system, databases, virtualization, backups, and business critical data actually live. And storage is not just about plugging in disks. Enterprise workload require faster read and writes, fault tolerance, disk monitoring, caching, read acceleration, and high availability kind of advanced features. And this is exactly where another specialized hardware component comes into the picture. That component is called a storage controller. A storage controller acts as a brain between your disk or your storage media and your operating system. Basically, it decides how disks communicate, how storage is presented to the operating system, whether disk operate in RAID or JBOD mode, and how your server handles storage performance and resiliency as well. So before we understand RAID, JBOD, or storage space direct, first we need to understand one important question. What exactly is a storage controller? Now, before we move into RAID and JBOD, we first need to understand the basics of a storage controller. The primary role of the storage controller is very simple. It acts as a communication bridge between physical storage devices, server hardware, and operating system. No matter which vendor you choose, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, Dell Technologies, Lenovo, IBM, the core responsibility of a storage controller remains the same. Its job is to manage how disks interact with the server and how storage resources are represented to the operating system. But storage controller is not just a simple connector. These controllers are intelligent hardware components. They usually include their own processor, cache memory, and firmware as well. This means they can operate independently to handle storage related tasks without overloading the server CPU and operating system as well. In practical terms, a storage controller can manage read and write operations, disk queue management, RAID calculations, write back caching, error detection, disk rebuild operations, and lots of other tasks which is directly related with the storage, media, and server operating system. This dedicated processing improves storage performance, IO efficiency, fault tolerance, and overall system reliability because it's a dedicated hardware which perform their tasks independently. So instead of operating system directly managing every disk operation, the storage controller offload these responsibilities and optimize how storage behaves under heavy enterprise workloads when you are dealing inside your data center. And this is exactly why enterprise servers rely on dedicated storage controllers for environments such as virtualization. It might be Hyper-V, VMware, Proxmox, VE. We can also consider databases, backup infrastructure, and enterprise level kind of thing, which include clustering as well. And we can easily define software defined storage for our data center. In short, a storage controller is the intelligence layer that acts, or you can say that sits between your disk and your operating system, deciding how storage is managed, optimized, presented, and perform all
A
kinds of
storage
operations
controller
regarding the
acts as an
management,
intelligent bridge,
administration,
managing
implementation,
data
and
flow
monitoring
between the
as well.
physical